What if I told you there's an experimental AI, Life2vec, that's not just predicting life patterns, but doing it with jaw-dropping accuracy? Get ready to have your mind blown as we delve into the game-changing world of Life2vec, the AI that's decoding the secrets of our lives like never before. Life2vec predicts life patterns super accurately. Imagine knowing if someone is outgoing, might move, or even get an idea about how long they'll be around. It's a super smart AI trained on tons of info from Statistics Denmark, a government data hub with details about 6 million people. Tested on 100,000 people aged 35 to 65, it nailed it, predicting who lived and who didn't about 79% of the time. How? No one's entirely sure, but even without medical records, it did pretty well. Lehmann thinks it might be considering factors like your job when making predictions. And get this! It can even guess if you're an extrovert. It looked at career choices and family ties to figure it out. Extroverted people apparently live extroverted lives. But wait, there's more! Life2vec was asked if certain people in the group would move to another country in the next 4 years. Drumroll please, it got it right 73% of the time when checked against real government stats. But here's the thing, Life2vec won't work its magic for folks outside Denmark. It's been trained on Danish data, so if you're in the US, we'd need a different version. Lehmann thinks it might already be in the works though. Now, some people are a bit iffy about this AI crystal ball. Lehmann thinks it's a bit naive to believe companies aren't already working on this kind of thing. But Tina Eliassi-Rad sees a bright side, imagining AI like this helping governments and scholars check how laws and policies affect people. If you're blown away by Life2vec, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest in cutting-edge technology. Join the conversation in the comments below. Let's explore this tech frontier together.